Hello, today we're going to show you how to manage your VR headset content in PatientVR Pro. Once you log into your PatientVR Pro account, you will be directed to your dashboard. Here, you'll see a list of your connected headsets. To manage the content, click on the blue Manage Content button. This will take you to the content management page for the specific VR headset you have selected. From here, you can view and manage the available content. You can remove items from scenes or interacts, or add new experiences from the content library. Once you've made your changes, click the Save button located in the upper right corner. This will update the full content manifest for that specific headset and apply your changes. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to manage and update content on your PatientVR Pro headset. With these tools, you can easily customize the VR experience and ensure your users have access to the right content.